Hey, we're back. Another day, another vlog. How are we all, peoples? Yeah, very busy morning. Sorry I've been a bit late getting this out to you. A few things I want to talk about today. First of all, iCast 2019. It's only a couple of hours before that starts for all the businesses and the retailers. That's in Orlando, Florida. So if you haven't seen my preview, shoot down. I'll whack a card up in the corner up here so you can go over to that. If you haven't seen the last video, the 1 ton gold coin worth $71 million, the biggest gold coin on the planet, at the Perth Mint. I'll chuck another card up here in a couple of minutes so I don't harass you too much. That's a pretty cool video, some cool things there, so yeah, check that out. Yeah, iCast. As in the preview I put in there, I've put a fair few of my ideas of what I'd hopeful that's going to happen. And a few things have sort of happened since then. Obviously Hummingbird with their Mega 360 sounder has come through and been announced, but they always sort of keep something, so I'm pretty excited about seeing that. I was going to do a video on that, as I said to you yesterday, but we'll probably just wait and I'll do it with my big iCast wrap up video that I'll be doing in the next week. In the process of another video, doing the edits, starting the edits last night, all on B-roll, epic B-roll. Had a great idea on how to get some free B-roll for your green screen stuff, or place where you can just go and get some really great set pieces for having a chat or doing a vlog, and that's IKEA. So you'll see all that in the next couple of days, and I think it's not a bad idea. I've got a ton of footage, Photoshop some tags out so you can see what it's like without the tags. So I think that sort of stuff's going to work really, really well. And you know, with stock footage can cost you a little bit of money, so something different for you to think about anyway when you're doing your videos, which I think we all need to do. No one wants to, we can't really all afford to waste money. So the cheaper we can do it, the better. Just better ideas. That's what it's all about. Get better. And then don't forget about the 100 subscriber comp. Check out the vlog with 100 subscribers. You need to drop a name and a comment down on there. We'll be drawing that when I get back home to work next Thursday on the 18th of July, Australian time. Just need a comment and your name and details, so I can contact you, or just your thing so I can get a message back to you and then get your details. Yeah, really excited about that. I think it's about 178, so I've had a really good response in the last week or two, so thanks to all those people. That's pretty cool to have new people on board, and hope you're enjoying what I'm doing. Now what I've been up to, not a lot. Shift change tonight. We have 24 hours off and then come back in and work a week of night shift, which is a bit of a killer, but it's the second week, starting to run low on juice, so it's good to get a big sleep in tonight. Yeah, you know, it's mining, that's what it is. Anyone who works in mining knows what it is in shift work, doing 12.5-hour shifts. It's not really much fun, but yeah, we've got to pay the bills, so just keep rolling. And what I've been watching lately, I wanted to talk about, is Joe Rogan Experience. If you haven't seen his podcast show, fantastic. He's a really, really good interviewer. You might know him from some of the fighting and martial arts shows, and he's a bit of a comedian as well. He's done a fair bit of stuff in his life, but he's a really, really good interviewer. Doesn't put his own opinion across on other people, doesn't push his purpose, just gets very interesting people on and lets them chat, and it's really cool. So I've been watching him a bit lately, and excuse me one sec. And he's really got some fantastic dudes on there. Gets comedians on there, gets scientists, mathematicians, theoretical physicists, all sorts of people on there, and makes for some really good watching television or internet, but basically my television. So yeah, if you're looking for something to watch, definitely get a hold of him and check him out. He's definitely worthwhile. As I said, fantastic interview. Really just switched on dude, very, very smart. which I didn't really know much about him, and I watched a couple that I was interested in, and I've sort of been hooked straight away. An Aussie guy, there's an Aussie hunter guy that regularly gets on there. So yeah, it's got a really varied sort of interview thing, so it's been really good. Anyway, that's about it for today, and I'll be changing up it'll be night shift the next time I talk to you. So I'll be talking to you then, a bit of a change, about 24 hours off, and then you'll see the next vlog. So we'll catch you later.